Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you gearing up to take the Praxis Government and Political Science exam? This is test code 5931. This exam is intended for secondary teachers and covers a range of subtopics. Today we'll be focusing on United States politics. Let's explore the types of questions you can expect to find on the exam. Question number 1. Which of the following best describes the purpose of a political party's platform? Detailing the organizational structure of the party, drawing potential candidates from the general population, assigning positions to party members who wish to serve, or outlining the party's positions on various issues. Detailing the organizational structure of the party explains how the party is organized, but is not the primary purpose of a platform. Drawing potential candidates from the general population refers to recruitment, not the platform's purpose. Assigning positions to party members who wish to serve involves internal party roles. The correct answer is outlining the party's position on various issues, which best describes the purpose of a political party's platform. A platform communicates the party's stance on key issues to voters. Question number 2. A primary distinction between political parties and interest groups is: political parties aim to control government, while interest groups seek to influence it. Political parties aim to influence government, while interest groups seek to control it. Interest groups tend to only focus on economic issues. Or, interest groups focus on a broader scope of issues compared to political parties. Political parties' primary goal is to gain control of the government by running candidates in elections, organizing campaigns, and securing positions in government. They seek to implement their policies by winning public office. On the other hand, interest groups do not run for office, but instead focus on influencing policymakers and shaping legislation through lobbying, advocacy, and other forms of political pressure. The correct answer is that political parties focus on winning elections and governing, while interest groups aim to influence public policy. Question number 3. Which of the following describes one of the requirements for naturalization in the United States? Having a U.S. green card for at least 5 years. Having lived in the U.S. for at least 10 years, having a child who was born in the U.S., or being married to a U.S. citizen for at least 3 years. The requirement of having lived in the U.S. for at least 10 years is not a specific requirement for naturalization. Having a child born in the U.S. does not directly grant eligibility for naturalization. Being married to a U.S. citizen for at least 3 years can expedite the process, but is not a standalone requirement. The correct answer, therefore, is having a U.S. green card for at least 5 years, which is one of the key requirements for naturalization in the United States. Question number 4. Which of the following best describes a political party's base? The party's founding principles and traditional platforms, the groups of voters who consistently support the party, the states likely to field the strongest candidates, or the physical location where the party headquarters is located. The party's founding principles and traditional platforms refer to its ideological foundations, not its base. The states likely to field the strongest candidates refer to strategic electoral considerations, not the base. The physical location of the party headquarters is irrelevant to the concept of a party's base. The correct answer is the group of voters who consistently support the party, which best describes a political party's base. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the types of questions you'll face in the United States Politics section of the Praxis 5931 exam. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. With Study.com's support, you'll feel confident and well prepared for exam day. Best of luck with your exam preparations. Bye for now.